Today, let's uncover the hidden signals your body gives when it's running low on magnesium, a crucial mineral involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. First, have you been experiencing frequent muscle cramps or twitching? These can often be an early sign of magnesium deficiency, as this mineral is essential for muscle function and relaxation. Next, if you're feeling unusually stressed or anxious, it might be your body's way of hinting about a magnesium shortfall. Magnesium plays a vital role in regulating neurotransmitters that influence mood. Additionally, fatigue or general weakness is another common sign that your body might not be getting enough magnesium. Because magnesium is critical for energy production, low levels can leave you feeling drained. Furthermore, do you notice any disturbances in your heart rhythm? Yes, even your heart relies on magnesium for its healthy beat. If you're relating to these signs, it may be time to consider your magnesium intake. Simple dietary adjustments or supplements can help restore balance, but of course, consult with a healthcare professional first. Stay attentive to these hidden signs, and let's nurture our health together.